Hello. Welcome to my Shop and Saw Sunday number 3. Today we're gonna focus on Swift language server protocol client setup and NeoVim because I want to have everything perfectly set up for my upcoming 24-hour stream. I've already tried to set up the LSP through the COC plugin or the COC plugin, if you prefer to pronounce it like that. And I was partly successful because so the problem. Let me rephrase that. So the problem with Swift LSP is that it requires the folder where it actually detects the root pattern, which is basically the thing that decides whether the LSP client is run or not. It requires me to actually include package.swift. So I don't know. Okay, Swift new package. Can I do something like creating a standalone Swift package with no, not with Xcode. So we want to create a create new Swift package. Okay, let me create Swift. Do I have a Swift build, Swift run, Swift help? Let's see if there is a command that will give me. Wait, Swift help. Okay, this doesn't work. Create new package Swift. Jeez, I mean, okay, Swift package init type. Wait, Swift package init. Let's try it. Let's try this. Is this gonna work or not? This is weird. Why is this taking so long? Oh man, it was extremely slow. Well, never mind. It is what it is. So we have package Swift. We don't need a test file, obviously. So test file. Okay, let's remove this. And now we have a clean package.swift directory. It because I have the swift.vim plugin for syntax highlighting, it already recognizes the Swift file type, which is fine. And now we need to set up the actual LSP. I already installed, so this comes with Xcode. So I've already installed this through the standard toolchain I use for iOS development and Swift development for the matter. We've used Vapor on our previous streams, so this is all set up. I got the source gate LSP, and so here let me I want to see the autoconfig. So vim lsp autoconfig, and remember, this one. Quick start configurations, and there's a readme somewhere here, contents of config, and I'm searching for Swift source-git. Yes, source-git is set up. Okay, file types. Okay, right. What are the available settings? Several arguments, inlay hints, render inlay type annotations in the editor with inlay. Oh, okay. Okay, this looks awesome. We'll definitely try to do that. To turn it on. So this where is this highlighted? So the source kit ASP inlay hints should give me. I don't know if I'm supposed to set this up directly somehow. Server arguments. Argument to pass to the source kit ASP argument keys and values should be provided as separate entries in the array, e.g. log level debug. Okay, so space separated. I mean, yeah, space separated parameters need to be specified like this. Cool. Server path default is source kit ASP. Can I source kit ASP? So this is recognizable from path. So we should be fine here. And okay, so all reserves to do is to actually edit the MRC. And I can, okay, let's do it. Let's do it directly from the folder, so I can possibly open the config neovim, and then okay, let's do vim here, and let's go to ASP setup. And so this ASP setup, so in the most basic way, we can try to do something like this. So we want require source kit, and this should be source kit setup. So this should give us some basic functionality. So if I do neovim right now and I do packages Swift, then this should give me some kind of completion. Let's see ASP info. Okay, source kit, this is running. So what can I get here? Okay, this doesn't seem. Can I get indent? Oh, so this gives me. Oh, cool. Okay, so this gives me some kind of. I can do library, and it will give me the autocomplete here. Oh, why do I have check layout? Okay, it even gives me the type. How can I? Okay, and if I do Command K, I don't want to do that. Shift K. Create library, protect all clients. Oh, this is the. Let me restart it neovim so I don't have these. Okay, let's open the package, and I believe this should now give me the autocomplete. Let's var package is equal to package class, and it should give me some kind of class, and then missing argument for parameter name and call. Okay, so it gives me some basic link. That's cool. Already faster than Xcode. And let's see. Let's try this. I would like to try the inlay hints. So how do I set this up? How do I actually set this up? Can I do something like nvim lsp and then dot source kit dot inlay hints enabled is true? Can I do something like this maybe? Ooh. Add to index field inlay hints a nil value. Okay, so this is not possible to do. So I think this is gonna be a special setup here. So the basic setup kind of worked. So we are fine with that. And I now want to set up the hints so I can see. This is actually a nice feature. So this is what JetBrains IDEs provide for some programming languages, when you can actually see the type annotations inside the method declaration. Oh, not the method declaration. If there is a method call, you see the types along with the labels, if I understand correctly. I don't know how this is going to work in Swift, but I believe, yeah, basically we're just going to try. So this is setup, and then okay, so on attach needs to be like on attach. So this stays because this is in a common setup. And then can I do, how do I do this? Inlay hints dot enabled is true. Can I do something like this? Don't know if this is possible in Lua, so we'll see. It will give us an error. Expected, wait, oh, we have to close the curly brace, of course. So let's see if this actually has some merit. I think like this, the bouncing should still be here. So I believe that this exists mostly because of performance issues, or not performance issues, but making the performance better. Okay, so still line 44. Oh, okay. Wait, no, this should be fine, right? Source kit. What is wrong with this? Dot setup. And then on attach. This is line 44, right? This is weird. $63. Oh, 46. Okay. 46. Oh, so this is the problem. Okay, so I believe then this has to be something like this, probably. Which is kind of weird. But inlay hints dot enabled. Yeah, I mean, I'm not sure if there's any other way to set this up. Okay, so this should now be fine, and let's see. So let's see the package. How do I know if this actually works? How do I know that? Let's tail the file. Let's do ASP.info, and we want to, where is the file? This one. We want to tail this file. Okay, who's there? Payload, source kit. Let's actually see. So let's close this instance. Let's run it again. Exit, okay. And then now we'll just open package, and it should now run the server, the LSP, the source kit LSP server. Documentation format. Code actions. Okay, it provides code actions. Let me try the code actions. I'm interested. How do I code action is space CA. No code actions available. No code actions available. Yeah, I don't know how to. Yeah, I don't know how the code actions work. Toolchain, the path of the Swift toolchain by default source obviously with the toolchain is installed in. Okay. Traces the communication between VS Code and the source kit LSP language server. What? Interesting. Okay, so how do I... Okay, then LSP how to provide settings. The root, how to set up LSP in NeoVim. Customizing NeoVim LSP. Okay. Oh, so I have to specify the settings key. Okay. So I guess settings is equal to this. Oh, I cannot. I have to indent this manually. Okay, this looks better. Okay, so about the settings. Wait, settings, and this should be source kit LSP is equal to this. Oh yeah, let's see if this is actually correct or error. Where's our error? This is closed. Why is that an error? It looks fine. Okay, let's see. Source kit LSP. Source kit LSP. Available settings. The server accepts configuration via the settings key. Okay, so this is equal to, and then I have inlay hints settings. Is that closed as well? Yeah, it's fine. Interesting. Okay. Okay, let me restart once again. 47, line 47. What is line 47? This one. Settings? Oh. Do I need to do something like this maybe? What? I don't get this. Yeah, let me actually see. So this guy or girl uses is like custom configuration, which is what I wanna. So they use the settings key here, and then the first level key here is Lua. So what do we do about this? Is this just like let's do Lua is equal. Oh, settings. Okay, where is that? Language server. Available settings. Lua.colored mode. Okay, how do I actually? So this is source kit. LSP. Am I tripping here? What is enabled through inlay hints object 47.47? This is the offending part. Wait, if I do this, is this gonna work? I'm not even sure. Okay, let's restart. Okay, this actually works, but I'm not sure if this does anything. Why it has to be so difficult? I'm searching for source kit, LSP, available settings, source kit dash LSP. I mean, oh, I closed the. So if I do this, it just breaks, right? Because this is interpreted as minus, and this breaks as well. Let's search for I'm wondering, yeah, so what do I exactly do here? So this just okay, let me try one thing. So it's supposed to be source kit LSP, and then in available settings I have this, and this contains a dash, and I don't know how to actually okay, Lua object key with dash, key string with dash. ugly syntax. Okay, yeah, okay. So I can do something like maybe this. Let's see if I can start. Oh, beautiful. And do we get info? It's actually it actually started, so this looks correct. And let's see if there are any. Let's tail the log again. And is that where's the? I'm basically looking for the setup. For the server start. So let me try this and then package dot package. Oh, I'm in the wrong. So debug initialized. What is this? Server capabilities. Inlay. Oh, settings, parameters. Settings source kit SP inlay hints enable true. Right, so this is being sent. This is being sent down to the payload, which is fine, I guess. So I'll try to can I actually jump to definition and all this stuff? That's right. Go to definition. Go to definition. Oh, so this actually doesn't work for some reason. Maybe because it doesn't have symbols. So let's do Swift build. Let's actually let it build the package. Okay, build complete. So we can do NeoVim and let's see the package. Jump to definition. Jump to definition. Okay. Am I getting text document definition? No location found. Okay, how about I try to implementation, go to implementation, no, nothing. Declaration, G capital D, still nothing. Signature help, just should be Control K. Doesn't work either. Yeah, this doesn't. This mostly does nothing. Code. Method text document / declaration is not supported by any other service registered for the current buffer. Interesting. Okay, but fair enough. What about indent? What if I do this? Yeah, none of this works. None of this works. I don't know why. Text document did save. Yeah, I'm wondering why this doesn't work at all. Am I setting the correct? Yeah, I should be. I should be setting the correct. Okay, I'll restart. Command file types. Is this receiving publish diagnostics? Does it request the format? Oh, it doesn't. Okay, this is weird. Is that space? There must be buff formatting. Let's do. Is that just command lua vim sp buff formatting? Okay, nothing. This doesn't do anything. What? Okay, is that because of the settings setup? No, this just doesn't do. It just doesn't do anything for some reason. Where's the source git sp? Let's see the list of what is capable to do. Oh, formatting. Okay. Code actions, global array name, background indexing, find references, diagnostics, fixits, code completion, syntax highlighting, both syntactic and semantic tokens, folding. Okay, but inlay for some reason. Okay, let's see. Source git must be inlay hints. I would like to upstream Rust analyzers inlay hints. If the switcher does not support the variable type request, allow the inline type hints test to be skipped. Source git must be yeah, this doesn't seem to be doing anything. That's the problem. How do I actually request? How do I actually request the? Let's try it. Let's try this. Let's try trace is equal to server is equal to, and then this is gonna be verbose. I can do this, right? Let's go to verbose. Let's restart. And let's see the package, the Swift. Can I like do formatting here? Code it, notification. Where's some kind of server capabilities? Okay, so let's see the server capabilities. Document highlight provider, definition provider, document symbol provider. Command semantic.refactor command. Meta table. Yeah, I'm not sure if it is actually correct. How do they do this here? Diagnostics enable equal true. Is this enabled or enable? Enabled. Let's actually try this. Let's actually try. Okay, let's actually try the server path. Right? Server path. And then this should be or it's just a string, right? So we change the server path. And now we will show us info. Yeah, this doesn't do anything. This is broken. Unfortunately. Do I need to reload this somehow? Is this gonna work only on the Swift files here, like this? Yeah, so this is really weird. What if I do this? Let me actually see if this does anything. Quit. No, it just doesn't. Redirectory. File types. So this. Okay, what is the difference? What is the difference between server path and command? This server accept configuration via the settings key. Yeah, the indent just doesn't work. This kind of sucks. I don't know why they. Okay, so. I'm not sure what to do here. Synthetic Sony tokens. Jump to definition. Caveats. Swift PM build settings are not updated automatically after files are edited removed. Source LSP doesn't update its global index in the background. I instead relies on indexing while building to provide data. This only affects global queries like find references and jump to definition. Build a project to update the index. Right, but how do I... Go to definition. Doesn't work. There's a problem. Doesn't work at all. I can make this I have no idea what is happening in the server. I wonder if it would be better if I understood the protocol. Source kit ASP inlay and neolin. Yeah, this rendered identifier, the snake case. SP extensions, inlay hints, prefix. Oh, interesting. Thread next. Wait. Table construction keystring with but attributes with the dash record is ugly syntax. Yeah, I don't know how to actually how do I actually convince this to debug? No location found. Is this because source built package? Building command line tool using a Swift package manager. Swift run, Swift build, update. Yeah, this is all. Can be run with xcrun source kit ASP. Is this gonna work? Is this gonna print anything? It's just, oh, okay. What are the response RPC Lua? custom configuration, default config. Oh, so this is the, okay. What is the default config here? Okay, so let's see, settings, Lua, and then runtime. Okay, completion. Give me help. Completion, max results, index store path, build path. What are the parameters here? Configuration, build with configuration, debug release, default is debug. Completion, max results. When a server-side filtering is enabled, the maximum number of results to return default is 200. Help show help information. Pass options to CID command line. Configuration. Tools, Swift compiler invocations. Specify build case directory. I don't know. No, I don't know. I think this is supposed to be correct. Hey. I think this is supposed to be correct, but I don't know. Maybe this settings is just weird. Settings. So it says that it accepts configuration via the settings key. And for example, this, where's the example? Here they have they are using the settings to actually set it up. The documentation for each config lists default values and additional optional properties. For example, for this one, let's see, settings is equal to, how are you today, Bazooka? Wait, oh, okay, settings is equal to key name is equal to subkey is equal to 1. So if you change the settings later on, you must emit a notification with client.workspace that they change configuration. Cool. I also went for a swim today, so are you swimming out? Do you swim outside or in a pool? Data structures with Java. You should do that with Swift, not with Java or Kotlin. Everybody loves Kotlin nowadays. I don't know. So I would expect this to be so the inlay hints. And if I actually did not want to do that. Okay. Let me search for the source kit again. Source kit. Wait, where is the source kit? Source? Disappeared. Oh wait, it's a reference. Source kit. Oh, config MV. Okay. Okay, so this seems to be unused for some reason, but okay, server arguments. What can I? What is the default? Array items type is equal to string arguments to pass to source SP argument keys, and values should be provided as separate entries. Okay, what can we do here? Log level. Debug info warning error. Okay, so let's try debug. So server path doesn't work at all. 4 years ago, that's a long time ago. Protips for data structures. I don't know. I don't think I do. Practicing on lead code. Yeah, I mean, nowadays a lot of the stuff is visualized. So if you have a good visual understanding of things, or if it helps you to see things visually instead of imagining it for yourself, then I think that internet is full of resources. It wasn't necessarily like that like 10 years ago when I was actually studying this stuff. Let's see. Server arguments. Okay, server arguments, and then this is an array, right? So we'll do log level debug. Now let's restart this. Neovim. Unexpected symbol near. What? What is wrong about this? Unexpected symbol. Lead code is more about, I don't know, lead code is more about algorithmic structures. I mean, about algorithms and algorithmic thinking more than data structures maybe, but maybe I'm misunderstanding what data structures means in this particular context. What is wrong about this? Does it have to be a array? It has to be an array. What is array in Lua? Is that what's the difference between table and array? Okay, so many languages, so much stuff to learn. Okay, there's actually, okay, am I getting more information here? LSP logging initiated. Let's open a package. Let's open LSP info. Start true. Command is source kit LSP. And then, what is the difference here? Right, how do I accept this? Interesting. Back to original. Oh, it gives me. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I never understood the sentiment about like getting into Google or Facebook or stuff like that and going through their hiring process, which involves a lot of, yeah, I mean, they have like they provide good money if you're in the right place and in the right team, but There's a message expected. Why is that? Let me do this. Let me actually delete the log. Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean, if it's widely used, you can. It's fairly well. It's not okay. It's not easy to make a living, but it's definitely possible to make a living when you create a page that people use. That's actually my my long-term goal, to create some products that people would use, and I would get some money from that. Not necessarily the same amount of money I would get from employment, but like some kind of passive income. Initialize, resolve capabilities, change notification false, supported false, or is it type definitions false? Why is there text document save, text document open close? Hover is true, implementation true, rename is false. Why is rename false? Rename, global and rename, okay. Not supported, okay. Document formatting false, that's also false, okay, that's actually. Declaration is false. Why is declaration false? They don't mention it here. Yeah, it's fairly it's fairly weird. I understand that like people, if you live in the USA, then people are trying to get into those companies if they have a good school, or if they study good university, is their goal, right? But is it there no? I think that the hiring process in Europe is completely different. Um, I have never done like an algorithmic interview similar to lead code. It just, and I would probably fail because it's you have to train for the stuff, and it's a completely separate skill from actual programming. At least I think that's my opinion. Where's the okay server capabilities? Where's the? It doesn't send. Oh wait, targets package. Did I open the? What if I open Swift's speed test? I don't think it sends. Okay, let me try to do this. So I can set a command here. So source grid as we set up on attach. That's fine. Source grid LSP. So these options, I don't think these options are propagated necessarily. Let me search settings. Yeah, there is no mention of settings. Inlay. there's no mention of the inlay hint stuff and so on and so on. So I don't think this is getting propagated. I don't know why, but it just doesn't get propagated. So let's change the command. So let's do command is source kit ASP, and then this is gonna be log level and debug. And let's restart. Let's see if we are getting more. Okay. This actually looks like the debug information we're looking for. Ooh. Oh god. Initial error. Wait. Standard error. Source kit server. Oh, it haven't even printed all the. Wait, error. And is this error as well? Oh, okay. Error. Is there? I don't see the error. Response initialized. Success. Why is this logged as an error if it's a success? Source kit server. Execute command options. Opened. Wait. Open index.db add. Wait, store path. Wait, is this logging all the stuff from the debug? Oh. Okay, this is unfortunate. I don't think those should be errors, because this is just logging the messages from the LSP server as errors for some reason. Okay, this is weird. It's painful. We don't need stuff. Settings. This is still. Wait, why is this? Oh, does this need to be separated by do I need to do something like this? This just doesn't seem right. On attach. Is there even any difference between the comma annotation and the semicolon notation? Custom configuration. Command. File types. Okay, let's actually follow. Installing a language server. LSP install info. Oh, so this is okay. Case sensitive strings. No, it doesn't have the source kit stuff. Okay, let me try. Can I do LSP restart or something like that? Restart info. Config custom handlers, config source kit. I don't know how to actually give it. Okay, source nvim lsp config use settings. Wow, I hate this. I don't know what you've been what you put. Okay, setup configs. Okay, this is unhelpful. What do they say here? Well, I would like to see like some configuration that isn't for JavaScript. Snippets as compy, setting up language servers. Okay. Okay, so this doesn't provide any information about project logo settings, vanilla language server, client. Yeah, so I found this, but this doesn't. These lines provide you auto-completion for NeoVim API while writing Lua plugins. Yeah, okay, fine. Extending the capabilities. Callbacks. Settings. Is the key correct? Settings. Yeah, so that this guy uses commas, so I guess it doesn't make any difference. It may make any difference, but I'm not sure about this. Okay. SourceKit lsp neovim. I tried to set up Swift editing Vim SourceKit, but lsp. Okay. No, it's actually, I think it actually works. Path. Yeah, all of this seems to be working. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. This is getting scary. Or the links on the first page of Google for SourceKit LSP have been clicked. Swift driver development guy. Why? Is that VS Code? No. Getting started with language server.com. Yeah, okay. Potential consequences of Apple support of language. Yeah, I've read this article back in the day. I don't think that Xcode uses the LSP integration, but I'm not sure about it. I'm using a NeoVim LSP plugin in conjunction with Completion Vim and sealing the S disables for the language server. What is the current state of? Well, this is 2018. Okay. Introducing SourceKit LSP. Do we have like a? Not sure. Add support for Android cross compilation. Where is the current version? Let me see. 9 hours, or those are snapshots. Do I have some release tags here? Oh, tags. Oh, releases. Oh, those are all releases. Okay. Well, can't find what I wanted. Building. Yeah, do I want to dig into the actual implementation? I'm not so sure about it. Okay, what can I do about this? Key request, replace text. I don't remember trying to replace text. Okay, am I getting some? Okay, let's see. If I do. Okay, so it is returned, decoded, is debug. So this is from the client, I believe. Yeah, RPC Lua. Oh, no, okay. And this is from. This is from the server. And if I search for settings. Oh, here are the settings. What is this? Send.payload, JSON method, date change configuration, parameters. Okay, let me CSS. I have no idea how to use the settings. I just get no idea. It just doesn't. I'm not sure if it doesn't accept them. Okay, so um, let's see if they have some, I don't know, issues open related to this. Error registering custom OSP to name OSP config. The server starts and attaches, but nothing is working. Do they use settings? They use settings. Okay, how do I include check health OSP config? Okay. Check health OSP config. Error. Okay. Configuration checked. Oh, is this the problem? Wait, expected list got nil. Come on, expected list got nil. Okay, let's skip this one. I'm not using. I don't have the dependencies here, so it shouldn't. Yeah, okay. Let me restart this. Okay. Okay, this all looks fine now, but I'm still not getting any. I don't even know how it actually looks. Yeah, but I would expect this to have some. Yeah, obviously I don't want to submit the issue. I just wanted to see how to actually do the health check. So settings, Lua. Let's see this and let's see how they actually access the the keys here. So let's see this, and then go to, where is that, config, config, md, this one. Let's search for this, and then, where's that? You jump to a different, jeez. Oh, okay. And this even shows the settings key here. So available settings, Lua dot, and then what's runtime, for example, Lua dot runtime dot path. So Lua dot runtime dot path, and then this. So if I look, if I follow this structure here, I have, where is it actually? Source kit, okay, and then available settings here. So I have source kit LSP, and then source kit LSP. This should be fine. Inlay hints enabled is equal to true. I believe that this is correct. Server arguments. So this should be here. Server arguments. And how do I? Okay. Lua array. How do I do an array? New array. Okay. So this looks good. Like it's correct. This seems to be correct, but it just doesn't print any debug information. And when I actually support, well, when I actually give it, is this correct? Log level and then debug. Yeah. Okay. Server path. What if I do, okay, trace a server verbose 2-chain path, and then this is pretty much it. And none of this actually works. So how do I okay, comments. If the 2-chain does not support I would like to upstream. What is this project? Language server protocol, no. Inlay type hints for source kit LSP. Hey Grant. I mean, so the settings just doesn't work. I'm at this point I'm ready to give up on that because it just doesn't do anything. Yeah, so basically I'm setting up the Swift LSP integration through the source kit LSP, but from the language servers that I've already set up for, was that JavaScript? Yeah, JavaScript and then Ruby. This one is the most painful one. So first thing that actually kind of makes me sad is that it doesn't support formatting. I don't know why they decided to ditch formatting, but it just doesn't work. So I need to have a different plugin for formatting, which is a swift.vim, but at the same time I need to use for example, for the Ruby integration, I don't need to use anything else besides the LSP client, because it has syntax highlighting and all that stuff. And I would actually like to see the hints, the inlay hints here that they advertise. But maybe I'm doing something wrong. Okay, let me try this. So let and then string initialization of immutable. So can I get the hints now? Or maybe here, power extract. So it's LSP test. It's gonna show me something here. So this should show me if the inlay hints worked. This this would show me. I believe this would show me. Oh, okay, I see. Do you want your money back? I mean, I think there is only one place. So actually, I'm not using it widely, but it's good to know that it might not work. And even if it broke for that particular use case, even if it broke for the particular use case, it wouldn't do. It wouldn't be much of a problem. So, oh yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, so which one? Well, I'm past that number, unfortunately. I don't know who was the 69th. I'm at 70 now. So if you want, you can unfollow. You can actually yeah, I'm actually glad that my that the follower count is steadily growing. Start finish example of setting up build an LSP with completion for language. Nobody seems to be using Swift LSP nearly. I don't want to watch free. Okay, so this is a 3-hour video. This is a 3-hour video. And it's not even. Oh, this is for Swift protocol for Swift, but mostly not specific to Swift. I want to see this in action. Wild menu behavior. Yeah, only 3 hours, you know, but it's easy. Swift syntax highlighting. Oh jeez. Yeah, so I'm using. I don't think this is LSP setup. How is this? Oh, okay. Maybe this is. Maybe this is. I think this is a combination of. I migrated my Vim settings to NeoVim setup language protocol language server language server integration. Timestamps below. I want to see this in action. Can I see this in action somewhere? This is weird. I would like to. Yeah, I mean, I can try to do that. Oh, on the left there is some Swift code. So many plugins. Fuzzy file finding, text search. This is really hard to actually. I can't find in this video. It is 3 hours and it's actually extremely hard to find. Oh, this is the okay. This is the LSP and auto completion. Okay, so can I see the code? I don't like to learn through videos. Show more timestamps. No. Okay. Mm, yeah, I'm confused. So path representable. This guy has a Swift, some kind of Swift project opened, but it doesn't contain any Swift code. Is that just some testing files or something like that? Uh, you're just trying to find any kind of interaction with Swift code. Any kind of interaction with Swift code. What is the file here? MRC and oh, there was Swift code. Wait. Oh, here on the left. NCM Vim LSP. Does he use the LSP config? Jesus, so many plugins. It must be confusing to use so many plugins. And it's just for Swift. Vim surround. It's actually hard to read, even in the theater mode. I don't want to make the window bigger. Vim LSP. Yeah, this isn't. Maybe there are some hidden gems in the video, but I just couldn't find it here on stream. Neovim and Swift match made in heaven. Things to try. If you move the cursor over a symbol, there are a few catches that I ran into. First of all, you need to tell LCN how to find the root of the Swift project in the vimrc. Yeah, this is all fine. Maybe I need to do some kind of manual setup. I mean, so the basic completion works. So if I do this, like it all works. It even shows me. Oh, that's nice. I haven't noticed that. It shows me the error in the gutter, which is nice as well. But it's just the advanced features. So, for example, can I do some code actions? Code actions. No code actions available. Maybe here. Oh. Code actions. Oh. Code actions. Type number and enter or click with mouse. Boom. Okay. Okay. That was kind of cool. But how do I know what is supported? Okay. So for example, do we have refactoring? Do we have refactoring support? Where is that? Refactoring. Local refactoring. Okay. What is local refactoring? Local refactoring language server protocol Swift. Yeah, it has to contain refactoring. It has to contain refactoring. That's all I want to know. Language server protocol implementation for Swift and C. Yeah, it's just some spam page, right? Yeah, it is. Lang server org. What is that? Acron news. For anyone interested, here is their official. Yeah, I'm. Oh yeah, but this is from like 3 years ago. I don't want to go through that. So I don't know how to actually figure out. I guess we need to do that through trial and error. Oh, beautiful. So on structures, on the definition of the structure, it also works. So I can, for example, through the code action, I can add equatable conformance. This is quite nice. Okay, this is kind of cool. How do I add documentation? What was the hotkey for that? Can I do? Okay, let me. So let me do vim. Was lua vim.lsp buff. And can I get some auto completion? Yeah, I can. Document symbol, for example. Oh. Okay, how do I can I do O? No. 1. How do I okay. Language server code actions actions. How do I like oh my god, my English is broken. Pick. I mean, yeah, I'm not obviously this is not a TCP protocol, so now how do I actually select okay. Neovim. quick start. There's bind code action. Yeah, do I do it like one more time? No. How? I want to do this action, please. No, doesn't work. Buffer. I use the following command to get it with Alt Enter. No. Anybody in the chat knows? Where's Max when we need him? He would know. He would definitely know. Okay. Better English. NeoVim actions confirm. Well, so I have those code actions here. So it provided me with 3 different options, and I want to. I don't know how to select. I don't know how to select them in the quick fix buffer. I cannot do O. I don't know. Code actions. Code action confirm quick fix NeoVim. Yeah, he would. OSP. I just wanna, okay. Select, can I do select? Code action, select the code action from the input list that is available at the current cursor position. Parameters. Can I just, okay. Yeah, no worries. We'll figure it out, maybe. We'll just struggle for an hour and 15 minutes and then just continue with our lives afterwards. And then I will magically figure it out off stream, and I will never tell you what is the answer. Like you know, creating a question on a how's it called, on a forum, and then just answering it yourself by saying, "Oh, I already figured it out," and then you find the question like 7 years after that, and just I think there's a like comics about it. XKCD probably. Yeah, but how do I? Yeah, this works for code, but this doesn't work for hotkeys. I just need to figure it out now or never. But okay, so what if I do this? What if I do this again? So buffer, and then it's actually documentation. Wait. What if I do this again? No? Cannot make changes. Okay, vim husp quick fix confirm selection.